Ever struggled to find a thrilling, family-friendly escape in Dubai? I spent hours searching for a perfect adventure destination. Nothing felt right. Then I discovered Aquaventure Waterpark while browsing online for attractions. Its mix of thrilling rides, slides, and marine life visuals hooked me instantly. I booked tickets online, and the process was so quick and easy. The dinosaur-themed roller coaster ride gave me an adrenaline rush like never before. The underwater aquarium designs were mesmerizing, perfect for immersive family experiences. Animal encounters added a unique twist to the adventure. My kids loved it. Aquaventure solved my dilemma by offering both thrill and relaxation in one spot. Now, I have a go-to destination for unforgettable aquatic adventures in Dubai. Why settle for ordinary when extraordinary is just a click away? Book your Aquaventure Waterpark tickets today and dive into the excitement!